Hey guys, welcome to Darkroom Plants. My name is Anna. Welcome to another video, and today we have a plant unboxing from Aroidmarket that I had placed about a month ago, and it just arrived this morning and I'm so excited to open it. So let's get to it. Alright, got it. Here we go. Thank you card. I'm so excited. Alright. I ordered quite a few plants. Let's start with I can't read the name, but I'll show you. I'll just go ahead and write the name of the plant down on the screen, because I also will probably not be able to pronounce it anyway. So the paper does feel a little damp, so hopefully all the leaves are intact and not rotten. I need better scissors. Also, if you hear a little humming noise, that is my daughter sitting on the table over there, minding her own business. Alright. Alright. Oh, so pretty. Okay. She looks pretty good, actually. What is that? Sorry, I thought I saw something. Alright, so it looks like only this one leaf is quite damaged. My turning yellow, as same as this one, but the rest look beautiful. Look at that new leaf. I love it. So good. I'll open the roots at the very end. That way, if you guys don't want to see that, you won't have to. This one's a Verrucosum. Never had this plant before. I see it in everybody's videos and pictures, and it looks so beautiful. Oh, I see a yellow leaf. It's not good. Not good. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so we did lose one leaf. It looks like the oldest, but the rest look fine. A little squashed from being in the box, but they look perfect. No yellowing or anything. Look at them. I'll hold it this way. They got their little hairy petals. So beautiful. It's got a growth point back here. No leaf yet, but it's getting there. Okay, I'm glad it was just one leaf that we lost. The rest look great. Alright, this was the Philodendron Gloriosum. I had ordered one of these before. I think this is my third order from Aroidmarket. Unfortunately, the other one did not make it. It arrived fine. It arrived beautiful. But I made the mistake of cutting off all the roots. because I was gonna try to reroot it, and that was probably the mistake. Because she never grew roots. Well, the leaves stayed intact for so long, but never grew roots and eventually died. Here she is. She's got 3 leaves. Oh, okay. Look at her. So pretty. And she's got her growth point over here. Yay. The first one I got from them actually was a lot bigger, but I am not complaining. She will grow too. This one's the Paraiso Verde. Let's see. These were set to arrive on Monday. Today is Friday. What is today's date? I don't know, but it's Friday. And they were supposed to arrive on Monday. Oh. Yes. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, it's got so many leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at her. Oh, look at that leaf. It's so big. And she's got a new one that she's just unfurling. Hopefully it makes it. Looks fine though. Oh, I think this is the one I was most worried about for some reason. I thought this one was not gonna make it, but it did. And it's gorgeous. Yes. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. This is the Milano. There is one plant I ordered 2 of by accident. I didn't know there was 2 in the cart until after I paid. And I could have probably contacted them and they could have refunded me for 1, but I decided to keep it just in case one didn't make it. Okay, I think this is same one as that one. Okay, it's this one, the Milano. Like the first one I had opened. This was the one I had ordered 2 of. Oh, and oh, so pretty. They look so good together. All perfect. All freaking perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. So pretty. Oh. Yeah, so I accidentally ordered 2 of those. Okay. Here is the Majestic. I really ordered this many? I'm actually working right now, but I didn't want to leave this in the box any longer, so I'm taking a little break from working just to get this out and breathing. There was no way I was going to be able to continue working while this box was just sitting there, right? I know you all understand that. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna hold it upside down because they're very thirsty and not very hardy. Alright? But here, look at them. Yes! Yes! No yellow leaf. Got her new growth point over here. Her tips looks a little burned, but whatever. It looks like it did lose a leaf at some point. but whatever. Oh my god, look at them. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. So, these are from Indonesia, as many of you probably already know. And they shipped here to California, Orange County. And it took a week basically. So if you're wondering whether you should, oh, this is a Ring of Fire. If you're wondering if you should order it, well, here's one testimony showing they arrived in pretty good condition. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay. Okay. All right, all right. Okay, but can you look at that leaf? This one right here. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. This is the Philodendron Ring of Fire. It's good. It's really great. I saw that variegation, this little yellow in here, and I thought it was just a yellow leaf, but it's not. It is not. Okay. Now for the Splendid. Here they are. What is this? Okay. Okay. Yeah, it looks so great. It looks so great. It's the newest leaf. That's my daughter. What? I'll be back. Okay, we're back. One more plant. One more plant. She was trying to climb the table. Okay, so this is the May. It says Silver Cloud. It looks huge. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Here she comes again. Sorry. Gentle. Wait. Can you go over there? Can you go play? Can you go play? Go, go, go. She pulled my hair. Okay, let's get to this before she comes back. So big. So big. Okay, 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 okay. Look. Oh, how do I show you? They're both facing each other. Ugh. Look. Ooh, perfect. Okay. Huge. Both of them huge. She's got a new growth point in the bottom. But she's huge. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Okay, okay, okay. So that is it. That is it. That's all my plants. They all arrived so great. Just that one yellow leaf on that one plant. But otherwise, they made it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening the root ball to see how to take a look at the roots. Alright, so here's some maize roots. They look pretty good. There are a couple of dry ones that I'll just probably remove, but otherwise they look pretty good and should do well. Should do well. Sorry if you can't understand a word I say. I try. I hear myself and I sound fine, but then I hear back on the video and my accent is so deep. It's incredible. Alright. Alright. So here we have the Splendid roots. Pretty good too. Should be fine. Just got airy roots growing everywhere too. That's my Splendid. Alright, so here's the new fire. Got a lot of roots. Some of them look a little bit past dry, but there's got a lot. She's good. She'll be good. Ring of fire. Alright, so we're back. Sorry, my daughter distracted me. She took me away, so I didn't record the rest of the unwrapping of the roots, so I just went ahead and just did it all, and now I'm just going to show you real quick. So, I mean, they're not bad. They're pretty dry, but I think they'll be okay. The Paraiso Verde actually has like the best roots from all of them. Look at that. The best and super white. Everything else a little dry here and there, but I think they will be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in some water to help them start acclimating, and we'll see from there. So I'm gonna put them in water like I said, let them rest for a couple of days, maybe weeks, and then I'll keep you guys updated on another video how they're doing. Alright? Thank you guys for being here, watching my video. See you guys next time. Bye! I know, I'm supposed to be looking this way. I'm always looking the other way. Sorry. Bye.